Hello everyone, so I am here at the headquarters of Glom Gold Industries, where we're going to be taking a look at a Casablanca Delta II in traditional brown. This ceiling fan is from 1986, and it has oak blades, and because it's from 1986 it is a 4-blade only flywheel. And this is the second year for traditional brown Delta IIs, as of course the first year was 1985 with the Slumber 5 version, but this was the first year for the Slumber 3 variation of the Delta II in traditional brown. And now, go ahead and start this fan off on low. Now we'll take it up to medium. And now we'll take it to high. Fan is well balanced with quiet bearings, which is nice. And in terms of performance, it's just your run-of-the-mill Delta II. Fast, powerful, all the good stuff of a Casablanca.
It flies.
Mm-hmm. And there you go. This is a Casablanca Delta II in traditional brown. Hope you all enjoyed, and thank you for watching.